Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today we have the Easter Tablescape. And our yellow and blue. Please enjoy the video. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm so thankful and grateful and blessed to be here. Hope everyone is doing well. Okay, here we have our table setting, our plate setting. Okay, we have this here charger that I spray painted white. We have these plates here from the Dollar Tree. I had these like 2 years ago, and about a year ago, and I never got a chance to use them last year, so thought I would bring them out this year. This here yellow napkin came from Walmart. They're just like the material that they have for like 97 cents. And yeah, I just made it out of a thing. Here's the bowl, Dollar Tree, white bowls. I DIY'd these. We were in a pearl and denim collaboration about maybe 2 years ago, and I made these are the napkins that I made with the little bling around the corners on the side. Here we have these here silverware here. These came from Good Stuff. Here, Dollar Tree coasters. These here glasses, I believe, came from Goodwill. And we have these right here, glasses that came from Benmart. These here candle holders here, glass candle holders, came from, I believe, Goodwill. These here candles came from Goodwill. These here bunnies came from Family Dollar. I think they were like $5 a piece. This here vase, flower vase, came from Goodwill. Okay, these here succulents came from Hobby Lobby. Flowers came from Dollar Tree, the blue ones. These came from Walmart, I believe. And these yellow flowers came from Amazon. Okay, so there you have it, the Tablescape. Hope everyone have a wonderful, wonderful Easter and Good Friday. Okay, and thank you again to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate y'all so much. And welcome to all my new family members. Thank you so much for joining here on Queen's Court. We have so much more content to bring you. Please click that all notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Love you all.